Hey, what's up, SafeMoon holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. At this time, this is the emergency update of SafeMoon. What's the current price? What's the price changes occur in the SafeMoon? What will be the next move? What is the next target of SafeMoon in this video? I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. At this time, the SafeMoon price is going down. And my friends, you know what? At this time, today the cryptocurrencies market is very badly going down, my friends. And no one can understand the market that what will be the next move, what's going on this time in the market. No one can understand, my friends, because the changes is going complicated. 1 hour the price pump, and the next hour the price is again dump. So what's going on? Oh my god, people are so complicated, my friends, about this. Anyways, let's start the video, friends. But if you are new to my channel, so please I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel and stay connected with the ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. My friends, this time the price of the SafeMoon in the market is 0.00004 USD dollar. That is the USD dollar price of the SafeMoon in the market. And on the other side, as I told you that the price changes is going complicated. 1 hour pricing is negative, and last 1 day pricing is positive. Again, the last 1 week pricing is negative. So that's how the pricing is going complicated, and no one can understand that what should we do this time? We hold or we sell. Let's see, my friends, the price chart. My friends, you can see here that the last day the price chart is going positive. So why you are very worrying about the SafeMoon? My friends, my prediction about the SafeMoon is that the price will be falls down in the next 3 days. In the next 3 days, there is a chance to the price falls down. So that is why that is the emergency news. My friends, does not mean that you know that the price of the SafeMoon falls down in the next 3 days, so you decide to sell. No, my friends. You have to hold. That's how you can make a good amount of profit with the SafeMoon. I'm not telling you that the price of SafeMoon is completely and permanently falls down. No, for 3 days there is a chances. Maybe price pump, but there is a chance to the price falls down in the next 3 days. So you have to hold, my friends, not to sell. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about SafeMoon? Please tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.